All right, I'm going to go over how to use the payroll calculator online. You won't be able to use this for the provincial exam, of course, but for the course and for in general, it's a good thing to know how to use because you will be able to use it in real life. If you do Google searches for Canada Payroll Consulting or Canada Payroll Calendar Calculators, you can find this site, Canadian Payroll Consulting, and they actually have three different calculators to use: Simplepay, Payment Evaluation, and this WebTod. I found WebTod to be down, and they updated enough that you have to change the link all the time if you want to embed the code. So I checked out Simplepay, and it comes up with this one here. They're all basically the same. You have to type in the information in red only, really. The other stuff is you can type in that information if you want to. You can also be up to date with your tax tables, as you can see here. You can go all the way back to 2005, which is really nice, and be up to date with this year, 2015, or whatever year it happens to be. Pay period, make sure to change that to monthly, semi-monthly, weekly, or bi-weekly. It's nice that they only have a few choices because that's all you'll really ever use. And then, of course, the claim codes, make sure to change those both for federal and for provincial. And then, of course, your earnings down here is your regular pay. This is your gross pay. This is how much you get paid before any taxes are taken off at all. So for instance, say we work in British Columbia and we're looking at this, we get paid bi-weekly. We're using claim code 1. All that information is there. And let's pretend that my regular pay bi-weekly is $1,500. You don't have to worry about overtime. You don't have to worry about anything else except the red, unless, of course, you are not a student. Then you might want to check that stuff out. But for the purpose of my math course, you don't have to. Don't worry about union dues. You don't have to worry about those deductions. You can actually put those in though. And they should tell you what the deductions are. Those deductions, usually the union dues and the RRPs and stuff, are taken off your gross pay. So your pay before your non-taxable income. So they're taken off, and then you have what's left is your taxable income, which is still a gross pay because gross means more. So press calculate when you have everything typed in, and it should spit out your CPP, your EI, your federal tax, your provincial tax, your total amount of tax, and all that kind of stuff as well. So I might be wrong on the deductions for the union. I don't think so. No, I don't think so. So that is how you use the Simplepay calculator. So hopefully that helps. I'll embed the link in the course as well. And for those of you who just wanted to know how to use online calculators, that should help. So let me know if you have any questions.